Once upon a time, in a faraway land nestled between shimmering lakes and towering mountains, there lived a young magician named Max. Max had a heart full of dreams and pockets full of magic tricks. He was no ordinary magician. He was fearless and curious, always seeking new adventures and spells that hadn't been discovered yet. Every morning, Max would wander through the enchanted forest near his cottage, practicing spells out loud. He would often converse with the birds and teach rabbits how to dance. The forest was his playground, full of mystery and wonder. But Max had one big dream. He wanted to become the greatest magician in all the world. To achieve this, he needed the legendary Book of Spells, hidden in the Castle of Mysteries, guarded by fierce dragons and perplexing puzzles. One sunny morning, Max decided it was time to embark on a quest to find the Book of Spells. Along the way, he met a talking squirrel named Squidge and a wise old owl called Ophelia. They quickly became friends and joined Max on his adventure. As they approached the Castle of Mysteries, they encountered their first challenge, a riddle posed by an ancient, golden statue. "What loses its head in the morning and gets it back at night?" pondered the statue. Max, Squidge, and Ophelia huddled together to think. After a series of guesses, Max triumphantly shouted, "A pillow," and the statue let them pass. Next, facing the fierce dragon guarding the castle entrance, Max remembered a spell he learned from the birds. He waved his wand and chanted, "Wind dance and birds sing, turn fierce into friendly things." Amazingly, the dragon began to smile and offered its wings to carry them across the moat. Inside the castle, they navigated a maze full of mirrored corridors and trick staircases. Thanks to Ophelia's wise advice and Squidge's keen sense of direction, they finally found the room where the Book of Spells was kept.